Welcome to Krixik. In this example video, we'll review how to easily and cost-efficiently use a single module Krixik pipeline that only contains a keyword database module. For context, a keyword database enables efficient retrieval of information through indexing and querying large volumes of data based on specific keywords. Keyword search is essential in fields as diverse as e-commerce, customer support, legal research, digital marketing, healthcare, security, and social media monitoring. After you install Krixik and initialize your session, your first step will be to assemble your pipeline. You do this with the create pipeline method. The create pipeline method takes two mandatory arguments, name and module chain. Name is the pipeline's unique identifier, so set it wisely. Module chain specifies a sequence of modules you want in the pipeline. In this case, you only need a single keyword database module. Your pipeline is now ready for file processing. You can test it with this short summary of the first few paragraphs of George Orwell's 1984. You'll store these keywords with the module's default, base, which is Krixik made and outputs an SQLite database file. There are no current alternatives to it, but be sure to check our documentation because it may have changed. Or simply sign up for a newsletter or follow us on social media and we'll let you know. Since this is the default, it doesn't need to be specified. To process the file, invoke the process method on the pipeline you created. The process method takes one mandatory argument, which is local file path. This is a basic file path indicating where the file you wish to process is stored in your local drive. The other arguments here are optional and all have default values if not specified. For example, local save directory indicates where in your local drive you want output saved, and expire time specifies how long process data should be kept on the Krixik system before being deleted. There are other optional arguments besides these. With the text now processed, you can print the output of the process. Given that the generated SQLite database file isn't easily printable, we'll only reproduce the general process confirmation in this example. Here it is. Finally, note that any pipeline with a keyword DB module has access to the keyword search method. This method allows you to easily perform keyword searches on any resulting SQLite database. A demonstration of this method is outside the scope of this video, so please review our documentation, which is linked to below, to learn more. Is there a keyword database option you'd like to use in a Krixik pipeline but that isn't currently available? Let us know via GitHub, X, or email. We're always looking to enhance our module library. Thank you for watching and welcome to Krixik.